This is a brand new listing out in Clermont, Florida. You can check it out. A lot of nice stuff that's here. Great house. The thing that's really interesting is the location. Anybody that knows Clermont, it's the area in Florida with all the hills. We have the most hills anywhere in the whole state of Florida, the highest hills, which is wild because you actually feel like you're in a different state. And Clermont is just west of Orlando. So you can see this is a really nice house. It's going for $545, just went on the market. Great location, great house. Anybody that's looking to live down here in Orlando, if you don't live here already, this is a great location, and it's still close to all the theme parks. There's tons of building that's going on out there. Great location. Okay, I like to make these videos because most people are moving in here from somewhere else, and a lot of people aren't familiar with the state of Florida. It's a very new area. They're coming in from all over the world. It's not just people from America. So here's Orlando. In this area here, Clermont, it's just west of Orlando. So it's roughly about a maybe 20-30 minute ride. Depends on the traffic, depends on which way you go. So this house here, I'm going to zoom in a little bit more so you can see this location. And I'm also going to try to do a little aerial so you can see all the hills that are out here in this general area, which is interesting because once you get up there, you can see quite far. So this is the specific house that is on the market right now. So I'll give you a little bit better visual of it. And I'll show you something here on a visual of the hills. I'm going to show you the Citrus Tower, which is out there. Let me zoom out just for a second. So from that tower, you could literally see. So this is Disney World, Magic Kingdom, all that stuff. And a little bit further west is Orlando. You can literally see that from that tower, which is wild. So anyway, I'm going to zoom in. It's not really doing it enough justice to show you all the hills here with the Google Earth. But there's this tower here, and you can go take a trip up there if you wanted to. It's amazing how far you can see from the top of that tower. If I zoom out a little bit, it's not really doing it enough justice here with Google Earth. But anyway, check it out. Get a hold of me. I'd love to be able to help anybody out. We're working on a lot of things out there now.